Good morning, class. So today I'm going to make a coin toss app using MIT App Inventor. So let's begin. So first I will open my MIT App Inventor. Then I have to log in. I have already signed in. See here. So I'm going to create a new project. So for that going to click on Start New Project. And here I will write a name. I'm going to write coin toss coin toss app. And once you write the text, then a new window will come. So this is the new screen. So first thing, I'm going to change the background color. So background color, I'm going to keep it orange, and then I will change the theme of it. So instead of classic, I will choose device default theme, and I will change the name of it toss coin. First thing, I'm going to change the background color. So background color, I'm going to keep it orange, and then I will choose this align horizontal to the center and align vertical also, and keep it center. So this is for basically I will use all the component that will become in center. That's why I choose this center and center. So first I will drag this object text for button. See, it's come on the center. Now again I'm going to use a spinner for choosing two things, either head or tail. And then I will take the text box. So this one I'm going to drag and drop over here. One thing more I need a text to speech. So this is text to speech I have taken. Now it's time to take a picture images. So I will take two images, one is head and one is tail. Now what is left? First I will change the properties of it. First I will upload the images. So this is head image. I'm going to choose from here. I will choose the head image. So this is the head image of coin, and I will change the properties of it. So height I'm going to keep it 25, only 25%, and width I'm going to keep it 50%. And then I click on scale picture to fit. So it come to entire this screen as you can see. Now I will rename these things. So this is head coin, head side. So I will rename it to head. This is tail side. So I will just rename it tail. And then it's time to upload the tail image, tail pictures. So process will be same. I will choose tail, and then I'll click on OK. So again it's time to change the properties of this tail coin. So I will keep the same things, 25% height, and width will be 50%. Both things will be same, and then I'll click on scale picture to fit. So everything is done. Now I'll change the button one name to toss. Also I will change the text of button one. So instead of text or button one, I will keep it toss only. Toss. Now this thing is done. Now I'm going to code this. So it's time to program all the things which I have taken. So whenever we click on toss, basically toss is a button. Okay. Then I will take a if and else condition, and I'm going to use a random button. So basically this random integer will generate a number. So whenever I click on button, it will generate a randomly number. So I will just, because I have to use only two condition, only one and two. 1 is for if head is come, then it should be 1. When 2 is come, then it should be tail. So only two probability will be there. That's why I taken 1 to 2. Otherwise, if you write 100 or something else, it will generate that time of random number. Then I'm going to keep it logic over here, and this will go inside that. So if random integer equals to 1, so whenever random integer generate 1, then this app should be, this head should be visible, right? This head visible to true. So whenever random integer will be 1, the head side visible to true, and at the same time tail side should be visible to false. So whenever head is visible, tail should be disable, right? And text box text also should be, now text box should be, on the text box head is visible. So I'm going to write head. So in the text box head will display. Now it's time to put the condition in the else. So suppose I have programmed like that, whenever random integer will generate 1, so head will be visible. So whenever it will generate 2, then what should be there? Duplicate these all things. Then this head should be false, and then tail should be visible, right? Then this tail should be visible true, and then in the text box there should be written tail. Now it's time to put the condition for spinner. So I will just take a control block, if else condition. So if, again I will go in logic and I will take this one. If spinner 1 selection, I will take this one, spinner 1 selection block. If spinner 1 selection equals to text box text, so whatever text box text will be there, if it is equal to the spinner 1 selection, so basically in the spinner I have to write two things. So I'm just going to click in spinner, and here I will put two things, head or tail, right? So this is the selection time. Now again I'm come to block section. So whenever spinner 1 selection equals to text box text, means whenever I select, suppose I select head, then head equals to, if head equals to text box 1 text input, then I will just call text to speech, and it will just give an answer, hey buddy, you won. Otherwise in the else, if spinner 1 selection is not equals to text box 1 text, then it will say, hey buddy, you lose. So this is overall programming. Now it's time to connect the things with emulator and just time to test the app. So first I will open the AI starter for that, and I'm going to test these things over emulator. So you can test your app using three conditions. One is for Wi-Fi connection. So for AI companion, you have to download this app in your phone and then you can test. And you can test over USB also. But here I'm going to test over emulator. So I'm just going to click over here. So actually emulator is taking too much time for connect all the things. So basically I have to wait. See what is written, starting the Android emulator, please wait. This might take a minute or two. Now you can see this new window will appear, right? So basically it will take a lot of time, at approx 2 minutes. So till that time we have to wait. So yeah, so it is coming. Starting the Android emulator, please wait. This might take a minute or two. See, this is written over here. So basically this blocks is very simple, and I have done a very easily programming so that anyone can understand what are the things is done over here. I'll do, yeah, it is coming. You can see the changes. Yeah, it's coming. So first I will open this MIT AI2 companion. You can see it's written MIT AI2 companion, and then yeah, it's coming. So basically you can test over Wi-Fi and USB. That will be very simple things to connect that things with the USB or Wi-Fi, and that thing is not taking so much time. So only emulator is taking too much time. Actually emulator is the for that purpose. If you don't have any smartphone for testing the app, you can use this one. So I'm going to cancel it and I'll open it again. So again I will click on emulator, and let's see what is happening. So programming thing is done. Only one thing is left. We have to test the app. It's working fine or not. So you can see this counter down is going on. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Counter down is going on. 3, 2, 1. Starting the companion again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can see this one is came, right? I'm going to refresh the companion screen. Again, I'm going to refresh it. I'm going to close it. I will open it again. Sometime it is not coming because I'm doing the live things. Maybe that is the problem. So I'm going to reset the connection. I will connect it again to the emulator. Let's see. Now it's time to connect the things. So basically, as I told, emulator is taking too much time to connect. That's why we will not prefer it. We will choose a Wi-Fi connection or USB connection. That's the better option. Yeah, here we go. So you can see this is toss. Suppose I choose tell. So one thing we have to do more, whenever screen is initialized, that both should be disabled, right? So we will do one more things. Whenever screen one is initialized, so we will take this one, because you can see whenever screen is initialized, the both should be visible, both will visible, right? So we have to just disable this head and tail. So head will be visible to false and tail is also visible to false. Tail is visible to false, so both should be. Now again I am going to refresh the companion and let's see the changes. So you cannot see the toss, right? You cannot see the coins now. So I will choose head first. I'm going to toss it.
Hey buddy USA. Hey buddy USA.
So you, as you heard about that, hey buddy, you lost the game.
Hey buddy USA.
Suppose I will choose tail. Then let's see.
Hey buddy you won. Hey buddy USA.
When head is come and but I choose the tail, that's why I said, hey buddy, you lose.
Hey buddy you won.
And now it's saying, hey buddy, you won. Because I have chosen tail over here and tail is come. That's why. Now suppose I will choose again head. Now let's see. Again I'm going to toss.
Hey buddy USA.
Because I have choose head, but here you can see tail is there.
Hey buddy USA.
Again.
Hey buddy you won.
Now it said, hey buddy, you won, because I have chosen head over here and head is come. So as you can see guys, this is a very simple app. And using a mighty app inventor, you don't need to write any program. This is a basically GUI based, blockly based program. You have to only connect the blocks. You have to just drag it and drag it, drop it over here, and the structure is very simple. So if you like this video, please hit a like button over here. We will meet in the next class now. Bye.